Hello.
Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Your voice is lagging, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, now.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let me start. In the previous class, we have discussed about relation. First, we discussed Cartesian product and relation also. Okay, and relation is what? It is a subset of Cartesian product. And today, I tell about function. Okay, function is what? Function is a special type of relation. First, see that you have to know about set. Okay, set is a what? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. After that, we are interested to find the product between two sets, that is called Cartesian product. Okay, so this is also a set. In that set, it consists uh, all the ordered pairs of that particular two sets A and B. After that, we have discussed about relation. Okay, relation is what? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Suppose if we take some particular element which are related to each other, then these are called relation. So if we collect some particular ordered pair from the Cartesian product, this gives the relation. And today I will go about function. After that, we get function. Function is what? This is a spatial type of relation. Suppose here also we consider x and y are two sets. Okay, suppose a function f from x to y is a rule that every element of x, every element of the first set associate with a unique element of the second set. Okay, and relation is what? Relation is also a collection, subset of ordered pair. In that case also, suppose first element of the set is related to the second one, but here for the function there is a specific rule which is gives that every element of it must be that every element of the first set is associated to a unique element in y. Okay, and for this one we write f is a function from x to y, and f of xy equals to y. Okay, and here also x, the first set is what? This is the domain, and y is codomain. But in case of relation, see that we consider a and b are two sets, and r is a relation from a to b. R is a relation from a to b, then there is no restriction that all elements of all elements of the first set is associated with the second set. But in case of when we discuss about function, each and every element of the first set must be associated with the second set. Or there is another rule that it must be a first element of the set has a associate with unique element in y. Okay, and here, so here we say that the first set is what? This is the domain, and what second set is called codomain. But in case of relation, we cannot say that the first set is the domain. Domain is what? Domain means what? A collection of those elements which are related with second element. Okay, so in case of function, from the definition it is clear that domain is the first set, and second, and y small y is what? Image. It is called image, and small x is called pre-image, and range is what? Range is a subset of y with pre-image. Okay, then see an example, take an example, then it will be clear. Suppose this one, see the figure. Here see that A, B, C, and Y has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and see that all elements of X, all elements of X are associated with Y. See that A is related with what? 2, and B is related with 4, and C is related with 2. Okay, is it clear? Hello? 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 See the diagram. See the diagram. The first set consists of three elements, that is A, B, and C. Okay, and see that each element of X is associated with Y. Here see that A is related with what? 2. B is related with 4. C is related with 2. Understand? Are you understand? Hello?
Hello.
Have you understand?
Yes.
Here see the diagram. Is there element which are left in X which is not associated with Y? Hello? Hello? See that X has how many elements in X?
3.
How many elements in X?
3.
3. That are A, B, C, and all are related with the second set. And see that A is related with 2, and but here also see that if A is related with 2 and A is also related with 3, then it is not a function. Okay, here every element, first condition is what? Every element of the first set is associated with the second element, and every element of A has an unique associate with a unique element in Y. Okay, so domain of this one, domain of that function is what? A, B, C, and codomain is what? Here codomain is
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, and range is, can you tell me the range of this function?
1, 2, 3, 4.
2 and 4, because elements of X is related with only 2 and 4. Okay, only 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 is the range of that particular function. Okay, similarly see this one. See this one, let f be a function from Z to Z. Z to Z means what? Z indicates the set of integer. F is a function from Z to Z. So that assign a square of integer to digits. That is f of f is defined in this way. F of x equals to x square. F of x equals to x square. Okay. See that Z. Now tell me the elements of Z is what? Z means set of integers. So elements of Z is what? Hello? 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 Z indicates the set of integers. So elements of Z are what? I have already told you in the first class when we discussed about set theory. In the basic concept of set theory class, I have already told about the set of integers, and set of integers consists the element like as, because this set of integers show all negative numbers. 0 and positive numbers will be come. So the elements of Z are look like as suppose -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, is it clear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Elements of Z are what?
Yes.
That are like that in the
All positive and
yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
all the positive numbers are integers.
Okay, all the positive and negative is
-1, -2.
yeah, yeah, it is correct. -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So here see that f of z is a function from z to z, and don't confuse. The first set is always the domain. Okay, in suppose when you are asked, suppose we have a function from z to z, then domain of this function is what? Z, because in case of function, first set is gives the first set is what? First set is the domain and second set is the what? Second set is the codomain. Okay, and function is defined as f of x equals to x square. Suppose we consider 2. If we consider x equals to 2, then f of x square equals to f of x will be what? When we consider x equals to 2, then f of x will be what? Yes, tell me. See that f of x equals to x square. Suppose we put x equals to 2, then it will be what? It will be what? 2 square. Yeah, suppose when f of x is defined like as f of x equals to x square, when we consider x equals to 2, then f of x will be what?
2 square is
2
equal to 4.
squares. So it is 4. Therefore, image of 2 is what? 4. 2 is related with 4. Okay. Similarly, if we consider 1 square, 1 is what? F of x, if we consider x equals to 1, then f of 1 will be what? 1 square. So it is
1 is
1. It will be 1.
1.
Similarly, for 0, it is 0. So see that I have already told you that when we discuss about function, then domain is automatically the first set and codomain is the second set. So domain is the when you ask that what is the domain of the function, then you have not do anything, just see the function and see the first set, and after that you just write the domain. Here see that the function is from z to z, so z domain is what? Domain is z. Okay, because in when we discuss about function, the when we discuss about function, then a first set is always considered as the domain. So you have not do anything. After seeing the function, you can automatically say that what is the domain of that particular function. Okay, so here see that this function is defined from z to z. So domain of that function is what? Z, and the second set gives the codomain of that function. So here see that codomain of this function is also z. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next try to find the range. Range means what? Range is the collection of that elements which are related with the first set. Here see then, suppose we consider 2, then it will be what? 4. When we consider x equals to 1, it gives the value is 1. Okay, so The range will be what? 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. Okay, because function is defined like this one, f of x equals to x square. When we put x, because this is set of integer, when we put suppose x equals to -1. When we put x equals to -1, then this will be what? -1 whole square. So it will be what? 1. If we put x equals to -2, then this will be what? This will also be -2 whole square. It will give the value 4. Okay, so range is this one. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and see this figure and tell me which are function or not, and see that this one. See the first figure. First set is A, B, C, and second set is 1, 2, 3, 4. And now tell me, is it a function or not?
Yeah, it's
Is it a function or not? Here see that first set of these elements are what? First set of these elements of the first set is what? Hello? Hello? Hello?
hello. Yes, ma'am.
See this one, see the first figure. Is it a function or not?
No, not a function.
Can you tell me the reason?
Because B is not related to anyone.
Yeah, because you are correct, because B has no image in the second set. B is not related with any other element with the second set. So it is not a function. Similarly, see the second figure. See this one, this function. Is it a function or not?
Not, no, ma'am.
Can you tell me the reason?
C is related with two
Yeah,
numbers.
Yeah, C is related with two numbers, but by the definition of the function, because all elements of the first set has associated with only one element in B, second set. So here see the figure, C has two elements. C has related with two elements, that is 2 and 3, so it is not a function. Similarly, see the third diagram. Is it a function or not?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Function.
Yeah, it is a function because all elements of this one is related with the second set. Okay, so it is a function. Okay. Okay, for today I will stop here. Okay, just this class I will tell about only what is function, domain and codomain of the function. Okay, and I will give a homework in your group, and I think all of you have done. Okay, I will give a homework on in the group. Okay, and in the next class I will discuss with some problems related with function. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
for today I will stop here.